Hello everyone, welcome to Amplify Pulse app. In this video, I am going to show you how Amplify Pulse app works and how you can use it to manage your Google business profile. If you already have an account, log in here. If you don't have an account, you can manually sign up or you can sign up with Google. After sign up, you will see this dashboard. Here you have to connect a Google business profile. Now you have to click Add Google Account. Then select the mail ID which contains your Google business profile. Continue with this. And then again continue. Now after that, you will come to this dashboard. Here you have to select your Google business profile which you want to integrate. Go to preview and submit. Now your integration is successful. Now you have to go to dashboard of the app. After sign up, you will see a dashboard something like this. If you go to connect account, you will see your account here. If you want to add new location here, just go to refresh, add your other business accounts and sync. If you will refresh this page, you will see your all profile here. If you want to add new profile, there is no need for you to go and do all the process again. If you have multiple location business like restaurants and agency, you can also create group for them. Like we'll go to create group, name that agency, select whichever location you want to be in that and create group. And that's all, your group is created. See a dashboard something like this. From here you will get a centralized overview of all GMB profiles. From here you can change the timeline of the data. You can select any groups. You will see your status from here. If we go to view details, you can see your performance for that specific timeline. Like we go to 6 months, you will see your 6-month performance here. You will see your latest posts and everything done in that specific period. You will see your reviews for that timeline. Now let's see the host section. In post section, you can create any post here, any GMB profile. Go to create post, select your location. If you have made any groups, you can choose that specific group. Write description, add image, choose your CTA, and you will see your post preview here and then post. If you want to create offers or events, you can also create them from here in the same way. Now let's see the media section. From media section, you can post images and videos to your any GMB profile. You have to go to upload media, select location or any group you want. Select category if it's a logo, cover, exterior, interior, additional image or video. Then choose that file and then upload. Now let's see the review management section. Here you will get an overview of all reviews. You can see your pending and replied reviews. You can see your positive, neutral and negative reviews. You can see your old and new reviews from here. Also, whenever you get a new review, you will get a notification about it. So you can reply that review from the notification directly. Now let me walk you through the reporting section. Here you will see two types of report, performance report and generate report. In performance report section, you will get a performance report of your GMB profile like calls, direction, website clicks, booking. You have to select a specific location and you will get that performance. If you go to table view and select all location, you can compare your location together. You can also see in the timeline of the data, you can compare it daily, weekly, monthly or yearly by adding customized period here. Now in generate report section, instead of collecting data manually, reports can be generated quickly, helping businesses to save their valuable time. You have to go to generate report, name your report, select on which location you want to create that report for. If you want a comparison report or normal report, you can schedule that report if you want that report one time, you want every week that report, or you want a monthly report. Select its format PDF or CSV, what content you want in your report, your email address, CC, BCC, subject, and your message. And then submit. You will get your report automatically every month, every week on your mail, without going manually doing it again and again. You can also add your team members here. Go to user, add user, name that user, choose your location on which you want to give access to that person, their email, create a password for them. You can control their access based on their responsibility for like only for posting, only for review reply, only for reporting, and just submit, and new user will be created. You can create unlimited user in this profile. Now in Connect account, you can connect your search console here. You have to go to this search console link, click whichever account you want to connect, like link, and submit. And you can see your one search console is added. You go to your search console, refresh the data. You will see your search console something like this. Whatever you were seeing in search console, you can directly see it from here.
That's all for this video. Boost your traffic, maximize your visibility, and get more leads with Amplify Pulse. Start your 7-day free trial today. Thank you.